How to withdraw BNB Beacon Chain from Trust Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust Wallet application and then you just need to search for BNB Beacon Chain. If you cannot find, you can simply click on Manage Crypto on the top right and search for BNB. Once you search for this, make sure to go with BNB Beacon Chain and then you can simply select it now and then you just need to click on this send button. Now once you click on send, you just need to open up your Binance or any other third-party crypto exchange platform that you are using and simply click on deposit. Now you just need to search for BNB and then go for it. Then you just need to select the network. In this case it is going for BNB Beacon Chain. Then click on continue and copy your address. Go back to your Trust Wallet and paste your address just like so. Then go back to your Binance and copy the BNB memo and then make sure to paste it just like that. Then you're gonna need to enter the amount that you have, but make sure to give it a test try, like $5 or $10 worth of crypto. First of all, send it from your Trust Wallet to Binance or any other third-party crypto exchange. Once you receive it, you can then proceed for the larger amount. Always do this process before sending a larger amount to ensure your safety and all of the stuff. Hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw BNB Beacon Chain from Trust Wallet.